What's bobbing? Oh, whoa, 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 whoa. What the? I didn't even know that the market sold off like it did on Friday. I don't even remember what I was doing on Friday to miss this move down. But the SPY here, looking at the ETF, absolutely getting murdered there. Getting murdered there on Friday. So yeah, we'll see what happens today with futures when we open up here. Pretty much closing at the lows there on Friday, but an absolute murder sell-off there on Friday. So we'll see how this plays out today. If you guys haven't already hit that like button, help me out, blow that like button. It's for Sunday, baby. Sunday, Sunday. Sunday, Sunday, fun day. Fun day, Sunday. Fun day, Sunday. Sunday, fun day, fun day. Sunday, fun day, fun day, fun day, Sunday. All right. I don't. Why did my indicators? Where did this go? Where did my freaking indicators go? Price action concepts. We got about 10 minutes here till the thingamajiggy opens up here on a Sunday afternoon. We'll see how this looks here. Let me get my pulling up the Lux Algo indicator right now. Set this up real quick. You guys can see my settings here. Pretty much pretty basic. Nothing too crazy. Adding kind of all this stuff. Daily, Monday, weekly, monthly, quarterly. And yeah, it's pretty much what I'm doing there. So getting rid of the dashboard thingy. We don't need that. All right. We are dialed in. We are ready to go. So you can see there on Friday, that big just kind of overall downtrend and closing down the lows. I would expect today that we open up with a gap down here. Looks like we're going to open up gapping down. If I look at level 2 right now, level 2 on the book map right now, there's like buyers at 92. We close at 97. So we should gap down at open here in 10 minutes. So we'll see how that momentum comes in there. If it just goes straight down. We'll see. Also, on the ES there on Friday, filling that bear flag pretty nicely there. We kind of broke to the upside and then dumped it right back down there. I still don't even remember what did I do on Friday? I don't think about what I was doing on Friday. What was I doing on Friday? I can't even remember. So we'll see. I think, like I said, we're going to probably gap down here, 92s on the ES, the NASDAQ, probably right now, looks like it'd be a real, like a 20, 30 point gap down here on the NASDAQ right now. So expecting a bit of a bloodbath here when futures open up. So maybe not a straight up bloodbath, but should be some volatility to the downside here. Everybody who has questions about Topstep, like I said before, guys, I'm not Topstep customer service. Give them like one more day. From what I've heard, they're getting really close. They're getting caught up. So like, give them one more business day to get everything set up, and give them just one more day. I know, I apologize. I know everyone's freaking out and there's all kinds of issues, but from what I've heard, it seems like they've got a better handle on things right now. So Let's give it a little bit of time. All my Topstep stuff is working now. So I also, you know, had issues like a week ago, and they started the express funded accounts that were canceled out the night, what was it, on Thursday or whatever. Those are all back, or on Wednesday, whatever it was. So those are working again. So give them a little bit of time. If you're still having issues, I promise you they're working on it. They've got like just a million. You got to think, like, pretty much everybody is blowing up the support. You got like thousands and thousands of people just blowing up support right now. So just give them a little bit more time. It's nothing's wrong with Topstep. They're not going out of business, anything like that. It's just overwhelming issues back to back to back. You know, the Trade Evade stuff happened, and then the express funded account stuff happened, and then there was issues with the Quant Tower activation. So it was kind of just the perfect storm of just craziness. Craziness. Give them some time. All right. Like I said, we will be gapping down here. On the ES, looks like 92 support out right now on the book map there on the ES for now. See how this kind of opens up here, but that's where that support's sitting down there right now, 92s. And then even lower, there's a bunch of liquidity at 82. So on the NASDAQ, most of I don't really see anything right now. NASDAQ kind of looking, I don't know what's going on with the NASDAQ here. Oh, there it is. Yeah, so 325 liquidity on the NASDAQ right now down there. So we got about 5 minutes here, 5 minutes till the market opens. It's not really, you know, not much we can really do here other than just kind of wait to see how this opens up after that big sell-off there on Friday. Matt, I still don't know. What was I doing? I'm so confused right now. How did I miss this insane move on Friday? On the ES here from the 60s, that was a 60-point move down, just do. Straight down, basically, on Friday there. So, did you guys short this? I didn't want to make any money on Friday, end of day. Anybody? Yeah, I guess I made that money and I went to Chipotle. Let's go. Phoenix making $14,000. All right. So 4 minutes till market open here on a Sunday afternoon. Just getting ready here. You can see there on Friday, the 15-minute chart. Beautiful move down here from the 4,560 area on the 15-minute chart. Just do straight down. Whoa. That was what. 60-point move on the 15-minute chart. Just red. Literally. Talk about the move of the day there. Pretty wild. Broke through the VWAP there and sold. If we look here on the 15-minute chart as well, we look at the 15-minute open. Let's see what the 15-minute open did there. The 15-minute opening range. So yeah, we can see 15-minute opening range was this yellow line right there. 15-minute open range, we broke through there and it was just down to that pivot and then dumped all the way down there to the 4,500s. So even at the end of the day there, it's interesting because that 15-minute opening range still kind of really playing into you know, setup there. And this is actually the market flow trader indicator right there with that short breaking that trend right there from the 30s down there to the 500. So 34 points on the free indicator here for market flow trader members. Rob, you should be able to trade today. The market opens at 6 o'clock. You should be, if your account is active with Topstep, you should be able to trade. I know. That's the problem, Rusty Golfer. Who's going to sit around on a Friday and wait for the end of the day? Not me. Not me. All right, all right. We're getting closer to open here. It's Sunday. New week, new time to party. Party, drink Bacardi. All right, all right. We'll see how this plays out. I would say if we lose that 92 support here on the ES, we go down there to that 82 next. If they just start dumping it here when this opens, or we can rip it back up. I have not bought the car yet, the Audi. I'm still shopping, still trying to get the best possible deal, and I don't know. I'm just trying to. Even though I'm trying to spend a bunch of money, I'm still trying to be smart about it. As funny as that sounds. I might look dumb, but I'm kind of smart as well. So let's see how this goes. Just be a little careful about jumping in too quick short here at open. Why not a Hellcat? Do I look like some fucking redneck who lives in Ohio? A Hellcat. Are you crazy? Patrick, buy a Hellcat. What? Boy, you crazy. All right, actually, we just gapped up there. So buyer stepped up there and pushed it back up above the 500s for now. My book map is not seeming to work. Okay, that's fun. Turn on book map. What are you doing? Turn my book map back on. Book map. Book map, book map, book map. All right, so right now we're sitting there at the 4,500 level. The ES just popped up there. Sunday open. Do they squeeze this back up? You got that 4,507 level up there, I would say. Sitting there right now. Bunch of contracts just popped up there at the 98s for now. I think we pop up here quickly. Go to that 07 level. It's going. Up there to the 05s now, just popped up there. Will they take it? There's 10s up there next, so kind of looking. They could get going here. Maybe go to the 10s even. Going straight up right now. That get through the 5s next. And then you got that 07 level up there. Right now pushing 05s here. Currently long. Give us a squeeze up. See if we can get this to push up here. Moving my stop to the 04s now. I'm going to ride this a little bit more. See if we can get to the 6, 7s. Stopped at 04s. Why? Don't pull back on me, little bastard. There we go. Little easy money there. Little easy money there. Easy money, 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 money. At 10 level, still sitting there, though. It gets through that 07 level, and then yeah, that 10s is kind of like up into here on the book map right now. That 10 level up there showing liquidity right now on the ES here. Seller just popped up there. Big seller on the ES here at the 0450s right now. See if they take them out. Do they take them out? Still a bunch of liquidity down there at the 98, 97s. So right now stuck here. Seller came in there, the 04s for now. There we go, it's back. $163 contracts there, the 0450s right now. So, someone just bought all those contracts. That was 328 contracts just traded right there. What is the chat doing now? What's the issue now? Like, what is going on in the chat right now? Like, what is it like crying about? What do you guys want? What's the issue now? Who's crying? Why don't you tell us when you end a trade? Because that's not what we do here. Up there to the 05, 06s. I think this still wants to push up. That 08 level, kind of interesting. 09s, maybe 10s. Here on the ES, possible. Right now, just stuck there. We took out that big seller there at the 4,504, and now stuck here again. Bunch of liquidity traded there though. Bunch of volume traded. New today, you thought it was gapping down in 92. I mean, we didn't know. All I could see was the book before the market opened. You little fuck. Like, before the market opened, the only orders were sitting at 92. I mean, what do you? I don't know. Once the market opened, buyers came in. I'm sorry, I apologize. Like, the fuck? It's literally Sunday open, bro. Come on. God. Did I say to go short at the open? No, I did not. I said, wait to see what fucking happens on the open. But Patrick, you said it was going to gap down at 92. Well, clearly I was wrong. Clearly, I was wrong. But on the book map, we saw there only orders that were sitting on the book map earlier were 92 and 82. And now the market's open. The buyers come in, and we're pushing up. I can't help it that the buyers came in there at open. I apologize. I'll call them and tell them next time. Don't you guys do it. Don't you do it. Don't you dare come in there. Call the buyers. This is bullshit. Real bullshit. I just wanted to have a nice Sunday afternoon, come on here, make a little bit of money, talk about trading for a little bit, but just I don't want to do, ugh. Can't do it. You would think that maybe the trolls would got something better to do on a Sunday, but they got nothing better to do. The trolls got nothing better to do on a Sunday. If you guys remember last Sunday, we had about a 15-point move at open. So everybody that's complaining about it not moving, I mean, it's just how it goes sometimes. Sometimes Sunday opens and it's good, and sometimes it's bad. I mean, it's just it's trading, guys. I don't know what you want me to do. I don't know exactly what's gonna happen. I don't know if the market's going to go straight up. It's going to go straight down. We just got to fucking trade. We log on. We fucking see what happens. We try to make money. I don't fucking know. God damn it. But Patrick, it's not moving. What are you doing? Why are you trading it? I literally have no fucking idea if it's going to go up or down. I just trade it, man. Just fucking trade the action. It's all we can do. You guys got to relax. Take a chill pill, bro. Everyone take a chill pill. Chill pills. Need to be chilling out, man. Everyone needs to be chilling. It's now pushing up. Slowly but surely moving higher right now. Up there to the 0650s. That 10 level in sight. 10s. On the book map right now, that 10 level sitting up there, so. We'll see if it got some more to go. The NASDAQ up to almost 15,400 right now. NASDAQ kind of is on a seek and destroy mission here. NASDAQ got that 400 level sitting up there next through the 90s here. So far from the 75s up there to 93s. Still kind of just moving slowly higher. Just moving slowly higher here. Patrick, why are you trading right now? Oh my God, why do people ask this? Guys, we're just having a little bit of fun. I got nothing else to do. I don't fucking know why we're trading. We're literally just here to hang out. Fuck me. I'm fucking so over this chat right now. I can't wait to not ever go live on YouTube ever again. Just cannot wait. 2023. 2024, I'm done. Fucking over YouTube forever. Fuck this. Really, just kill me now. Got a lot of room to run here tomorrow for Monday. We'll see how this plays out. If they hold that 4,500 level, maybe tomorrow, kind of try to push up here again. After that big sell-off there on Friday, if the bulls come in here Monday. If the bulls come in here Monday, we'll see how it plays out. Don't feel bad for me, Rays. It is what it is. It's all good. The little bitches that come and talk shit in the chat, I mean, it's all good. I'm winning, they're losing. They're watching my stream, I'm not watching them. So clearly I'm not doing it wrong. Clearly I'm the one that's winning here. $10,000, he's still here in 2024. Huh? Well, you lost that one, didn't you? Like, what do you, I just can't imagine. Like, how fucking pathetic is your life that on a Sunday afternoon, you go on YouTube to talk shit? Like, how pathetic is your fucking life? Think about that. Wow. How fucking pathetic are you? Guys, it's Sunday afternoon. I'm just mad at the world. I'm gonna go on YouTube and I'm gonna talk shit to Patrick Wieland today. Like, imagine that. Imagine how fucking pathetic your life is. On a Sunday afternoon. You got nothing else to do, so you go on fucking YouTube and talk shit. That's how fucking pathetic you are. Literally. Right now on the book map, there's liquidity sitting there at the 12. Somebody asked about how I read the book map. I mean, we're just looking at levels. That's all we're really looking at. We're looking at where those buyers and sellers are sitting at. I mean, right now there's a lot of liquidity to the upside. We got liquidity all the way down there at the 85s, but right now I would say this liquidity up here in the 10 area is, you know, a little bit closer to the price action than the 500 levels. So kind of acts, we looked for that liquidity to act as a magnet to kind of pull the price up, to test those levels. The market has one purpose, and that's to facilitate buyers and sellers, buyers and sellers, buyers and sellers. So, you know, when there's a bunch of buyers and sellers sitting at a certain level, well, that kind of facilitates a trade. So that's kind of what the book map is showing here. Just liquidity, where the buyers and sellers are sitting at. The NASDAQ up to the high so far in the NASDAQ 94s. There's sellers came in there at the 94 level. NASDAQ sitting here at 90s right now. When I'm not trading, do I pay attention to the news? Not at all. I don't watch the news. What am I gonna watch the news for? The news ain't real. The news is just one big old fucking brainwashing experiment. I go on Twitter for my news, obviously. I mean, if you want to get the real news, you go on fucking Twitter. Oh, Abdul, you're not a trader, you're a gambler. Thank you. I'll take that as a piece of I'll take it as a compliment. Because again, I don't fucking know you, Abdul. I don't fucking know you, but you know me, buddy. You know me. So I guess I'm fucking way better gambler than you are. God, again, like how meaningless is your life? Literally, how meaningless is your fucking life? You fucking, it's madness. The NASDAQ up there to the 96s now, still just kind of pushing. The ES up here to the almost 7s. We got that 10, 12 level. Oh, man. Who's Abdul? Abdul was just a little troll in the chat. He's gone forever now. Rest in peace, Abdul. Rest in peace. R.I.P., baby. We'll never have to hear from him ever again. How many people that I think I've been banned? Oh, fuck. I can't even count. I probably banned more people than Nutty Bar has as subscribers. I probably banned more people than fucking Nutty Bar has gained as subscribers. Whoops. And trying to see kind of what's gonna happen here now. We're pushing up into this resistance here from earlier, from Friday. This 07 level. This is what we kind of talked about earlier when we broke out here at open. That idea of pushing up there into the 07s. That's where we're at right now. So see how this kind of plays out here. How's she gonna play out here? Just not much of a, not very eventful so far today. We've got about a 6-point move on the ES so far. The NASDAQ up there to the 95s. I think if the NASDAQ pushes up there through the 400s, got that 405 kind of level on the NASDAQ. Right now, the ES trying to push through the 07s here. Oh, yeah. The band people, they keep watching, baby. Don't you worry. Abdul's going to be watching for life. Just hating. Just for life. Just so upset. Like, oh, he banned me. How dare him? How dare he ban me? How dare Abdul? Oh, fucking Abdul. Banned for life, bro. Get on my fucking level. Get on my friggin' level, people. All right. Just kind of moving my stop up here now to the 06s. Yeah, like, oh, yeah. 05, 75 here. Stop. Right now. Just seeing if we can get this push up through. I'm trying to like think maybe 10 level gets pushed here, but see how this will play out here. Slowly moving. I'm not really that worried about it. We got Mega Money Mondays coming up tomorrow. Mega Money Mondays. The ES, the NASDAQ, trying to push up the NASDAQ right now, up there to the almost 400 level. The NASDAQ pretty much going to where we thought it would go at the 400s now after seeing that earlier on the book map. So right now the ES just kind of slowly moving here. If the NASDAQ breaks through the 400, we should get that little push up on the ES here. So we'll see how they go. Why did I leave Tradeovate? You know, $1 million question, my friend. That's a That's a novel in itself. A novel to write. True story. Why did he leave Trade of 8? I left Trade of 8 because it never fucking worked. Pretty much. Oh, and stopped out there at the 0575s. On the day right now, well, on the Sunday afternoon, we are up on the what are we up? Quant Tower is a little pain in the ass for the senior P&L sometimes. On the day 2800, 2837 here on for P&L on the Sunday afternoon. I'll take it. See what they do here now. If they're going to start selling this back down or what this plays out. Not really much action. So we definitely, we'll wait and see. Mega Money Mondays. Just wanted to go live to kind of give a little excitement. Sometimes you get sometimes Sunday open gives you big moves. Sometimes it's slow. It doesn't move. But the thing is, you don't know until you trade it. You're not going to know. You're not going to know what's going to happen until the market opens. It's literally all you got. So we'll see how this plays out later on today. Well, on Monday for Mega Money Mondays. Right now, the market, a little pushback up here. Little pushback up. Still kind of just holding up here for now at that 06s. After that level, through the 10s, you got that next kind of area, 15s or so. But definitely not really much going on right here, right now. So maybe later on today or later on tonight, something happens here, but right now, just not much going on volume-wise, action-wise. It's Sunday afternoon. Sometimes it moves, sometimes it don't. You just never gonna know. You're never gonna know. Until you know. You won't know until you know, basically. Story of my life. Rob, is there a maximum amount of trades you can place per day? There's not a maximum amount of trades per day, but I think Topstep doesn't like when you trade over 200 contracts per day. So yeah, there's no like actual maximum amount of trades that you can place, like actually being a rule. But there is kind of like a gray area. You know, if you place 5,000 contracts or some crazy, I don't know. There's something. So it's not really a rule, but it is kind of like a gray area where they're like, they don't want you, you know, trading 1,000 contracts a day. What's your idea on Topstep fluctuating? I mean, they had a huge sale go on, a biggest sale they've ever had before. They pretty much like had more customers than they ever had before. There was issues with there was issues with Trade of 8. There was issues, some other issues popped up. You know, just everything got overwhelmed. I wouldn't say it was really, you know, it was just kind of the perfect storm, to be honest. That's like, it was just kind of crazy that all that stuff happened at the same exact time, to be honest. You know, it's like, how did all those things go wrong at the same exact time? I don't know. I wouldn't say it was really, you know, Topstep's fault. I guess it was their fault, but also not their fault. You know, it was just kind of a bad timing for everything. Still kind of holding up here, the 06s right now, but the NASDAQ back up there, 96s. That 400 level in the NASDAQ, 90s down there right now on the book map here. But I do know that that Topstep's definitely doing everything they can to get everything working again and back to business. So If you're having issues still, just give them a little bit more time. I would say by the middle of, you know, this upcoming week, they should have everything kind of back to normal, hopefully. So obviously I'm not I don't work in customer service. I don't know exactly, but just from what it sounds like. They're definitely not going out of business. People thought that, like, oh, Topstep is going out of business. They're not going out of business. Right now, the ES is kind of holding up here. The 06s, the NASDAQ. Right there at that resistance area, that 07 resistance there from Friday on the 15-minute chart. Got that little bit of a gap here. Down there, right below 4,500 right now. And like I said, it's just kind of a slow Sunday afternoon here. Sometimes you get good action, sometimes you don't. Today, not so good action. Michael, just curious, when you pass your multiple accounts, did you have an extended wait period? No. I passed the multiple accounts long before the one step, one rule, so there wasn't any issues going on at that time, to be honest. Like I said, they're working on it, Michael. You got to relax, bro. Just give it a little bit more time, bro. Sitting here talking about it in the chat's definitely not going to make it happen any faster. So the ES kind of stuck there. We pushed up to that 07 level, right in the middle of that right there, and kind of that resistance there from Friday close area. And we'll see if we start to turn back down and maybe kind of pull back to these lows again down there to the 500s. Right now, the dollar kind of pushing up. So the dollar pushing up here, and the index is showing weakness. So NASDAQ, the ES, all just kind of sitting right here for now. And we'll see what happens for Mega Money Mondays. Should be a good day either way. So I'm done. I just wanted to check in with you guys and shoot the shit here on a Sunday afternoon. I'm going to go and relax and get ready for Mega Money Mondays. I did not buy the Audi. Not yet. Not yet. I'm still doing my due diligence. The Audi that I went and looked at, it's got a few more miles than I really want. So I don't like the fact that it has so many miles on it. For being a 2022, it's like, ugh, it's a lot of miles. A lot of miles for a 2022. So I'll see you guys tomorrow morning for Mega Money Mondays. If you haven't already, hit that like button, subscribe button. You know what to do. I'll leave the book map open just if you guys are hanging out, trading the after Sunday night here. And we'll see how this plays out. Right now, the NASDAQ pulling back here. The ES liquidity down there at the 98. So I do not have a Discord. See you tomorrow morning, everybody, for Mega Money Mondays. We'll be back 9:15 a.m. If you haven't already, hit that like button, subscribe button. You know what to do. Help me out. Blow it up. Peace to the Middle East.